day, gentlemen. This is part 2 of my video on the installation of the first aid kit on my tractor. I decided to install it around this area here, which is very easy to install. And you're going to see me building a mounting bracket. It's going to be around this area, so it's going to be really easily accessed. And yeah, so that's it for now. Cheers. Alright, so what I'm going to use the first aid kit on the tractor is a whole steel bed frame. This is one part of it. The other part it was there. So I'm going to use the steel from that to build it. So come along. With me in all of my videos, there's always involved a big hammer. Alright, gentlemen, this is a close view of the holding the toolbox. The first aid. So that would be one end, that would be the other end. The reason why I didn't block it is I want to have free to clean the everything like water, stuff like that. So it's gonna go right on the top like this. And for those of one asking how it's gonna be hold, I'm gonna pierce hole and put a strap over it, so it's gonna be held by a type of old belt, pants belt, or a cargo strap, something I'm gonna come up with. All right. So I'm just gonna use my MIG to weld that. All right. So stay along. What I'm going to do is put a rubber pad on the bottom of this, so it's not going to be still against steel. It's going to be like a cushion. So I just cleaned that part. It's going to be easier to paint on the other side too. So you can see the holding part. So it's not going to go on each side. So it's just holding. It's a nice bracket. So now let's build something to put that bracket on the tractor. Good day, gentlemen. I had a problem with my camera while making my support for my first aid kit, which is I realized and I have been like a few weeks behind schedule, but all right. So I made my support to hold the first aid kit in there. So how I'm going to install it is I just dismantled those two bolts. It's going to be mounted in there for holding that part, and the bolt for the hydraulic, and also for my reflector will be holding. So that will hold this part. This is the support behind, and I'm gonna build it like that. So I'm very sorry. I activate the camera, but I didn't check it when I was making that. So it's very simple bracket. So I use a little flat bar there to hold that part for the vibration part, and I reinforce the here. And under, you can see this is the plate, so that's holding for the vibration, because that was strong enough to hold it, but just to cut the vibration off. And I did all my welding with my MIG feeder welding. Alright, so that's it for now, and I'm gonna clean everything, and I'm gonna try to keep the camera on, because I'm just gonna clean it and then paint job. Alright, cheers! All right, gentlemen, this is the first code for the that's the first aid kit support. Okay, this is the first kit metal box, the ammo box. I painted inside because it was rusted, and I will put a second coat in 4 days from now, and it will be installed like I told you. I'm gonna put I'm gonna use those 2 screws and the one there on the top to install it on place. So this side will be the first aid kit. And just an update, since I didn't make any videos since a month now. Today we're Saturday, the 14th of March, and for the past 2 weeks the snow melt dramatically. We have a nice warm weather, so you can see it's blue skies, and all the mountain range is really melting fast. So today is it's a great day, and that's it. So like you just saw, I will have a part 3 on this video. So alright guys, so see you on the part 3, and should be done in next week for sure. Alright, and take care of yourself, and bonjour Melanie. Cheers guys, bye.